Welcome to the briefing on the record flooding on the South Platte and Platte Rivers in southwestern Nebraska. This is Teresa Keck with the National Weather Service office in North Platte. The South Platte River Basin points of interest now continue at Julesburg, Colorado, as the flow continues downstream into the Big Springs area in southeastern Dual County. Also Roscoe and Keith County, North Platte and Lincoln County, and also Brady on the Platte River. Then the river forecast and impacts effective today, looking out to 5 to 7 days. We're still looking for minor to record flooding near Julesburg, the crest reaching there at 11.2 feet, approximately around noontime on Wednesday. That's mountain time. Record flooding down there previously has been 10.44 feet set back in 1965. The gauge near Roscoe, the current forecast is for it to crest at 12.5 feet. That's about a half a foot below the previous forecast, but again, still well above the previous historical crest that was set back in 1995 of 11.29 feet. At North Platte, the current forecast has lowered the forecast just a little bit. We're closer to cresting at 13.5 feet now. That would be on Friday morning. Historical is 14.02 feet for the record here. The gauge down there on the Platte River at Brady, we're looking at the river rising to about 9.6 feet on Saturday morning. The crest is uncertain at this time still. The rainfall forecast for the next 3 days combined, and we're still got a chance of showers. We have a cold front coming south on Thursday. That we're still having forecast for isolated to scattered showers, but not a whole lot of precip to put into the basin at this time. And then a look at each of the gauge. Here is Julesburg gauge, morning reading at 2.06 feet. Again, we're looking at for increasing Wednesday morning, peaking around 11.2 feet for the crest. Next is the Roscoe gauge on the South Platte River. We're looking, and this morning observed 1.69 feet, steadily rise over the next 24 hours, and on Thursday cresting at 12.5 feet Thursday evening. Next is at North Platte. The observed value this morning 5.39 feet. Flood stage is 13 feet. The latest forecast is 13.5 feet. That puts us in minor flooding conditions here at North Platte. That crest approximately around midnight Friday night. Then at the Brady gauge on the Platte River, observation this morning was 2.72 feet. The forecast is for the river to be pretty much steady until Thursday, then steadily climbing up to 9.6 feet. The crest at the Platte River at Brady gauge is unknown at this time, or rather it's uncertain. Again, the river forecast and impacts are shown here. Pretty much the crest information right now, 11.2 feet by noontime Wednesday at Julesburg. Near Roscoe, 12.5 feet Thursday evening. At North Platte, cresting around 13.5 feet in minor flooding conditions Friday morning. And then at the gauge near Brady, river rising up to 9.6 feet Saturday morning. For additional information on this record flooding and impacts to southwestern Nebraska, visit our top news of the day for a quick link to record flooding and forecast information on the South Platte and the Platte River. And then also on our quick links on the left-hand column under hydrology, rivers, and lakes. That will take you to our AHAPS website as well. This completes the briefing on the record flooding expected on the South Platte and Platte Rivers in southwestern Nebraska. This briefing was issued at 11:30 a.m. with the next update following on Wednesday. Thank you for listening.